Hey there everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. So this is the last part of the series, that is Valima or reception. I started prepping my skin and then the usual foundation step. One thing I'm going to talk about is someone raised a question about me using Fit Me foundation in every video. So the reason is I'm loving it for the flawless or poreless look it gives, and topping it up with Fit Me compact powder is no less than a cherry on top. This foundation is best in price and does the job so perfectly. It gives you a really smooth and poreless kind of look which it claims. So yes, I love it. The video is a little fast forwarded to kill the time, but I hope you guys checking out the steps, the way I am blending my foundation with the brush and also with the beauty blender. So here that day I forgot to color correct my under eyes, so here I am doing it after the foundation. Not doing this always makes my under eyes gray, so it's a very necessary step for me. Topping it up with J Dot Note Concealer for highlighting. This one is medium to full coverage concealer. I find it really good. Applying concealer on all of the highlighting points and then blending it up with the beauty blender. Wet your beauty blender very properly so that it can blend your makeup flawlessly. Then I am setting everything up with Fit Me compact powder. You really need a good application of face powder or loose powder under your eyes in order to set them up. And now I am filling my brows with the pencil, giving them a proper shape and filling them up. Later I'm going to use a brush, a flat brush, or you can also use a spoolie to smooth out your brows. I find it very easy to fill my brows with the eyebrow pencil, so I rarely use eyebrow palettes. You can compare both of the brows after brushing, how smooth the brushed brow looks. After the brows I'm going to do my eyes. For eyes I'm using next Get the Look palette and taking a maroonish kind of shade for my base. Using a fluffy brush I'm blending it all over my eyelid, creating the base shade of my eyes. It seems a little darker here, but later it's gonna be blended. The next thing I'm using is a copperish gold kind of shade in my crease and outer corner. For base shade I have chosen a thick fluffy brush, and then I took a medium fluffy brush to fill in my crease. I'm using cut crease method here. I have applied concealer on my eyelids and blending it out very nicely with my finger so that I can apply gold eyeshadow on my concealer to give it a pop-up. Applying gold eyeshadow with the same finger I applied the concealer, and you can check how does the color pop up and brighten my eye. Now I am highlighting my inner corners with the same palette, filling my lower lash line with the same maroon shade, and then the eyeliner thing, I always use pen eyeliner to create a very nice thin eyeliner with a wing. Pen eyeliners are one of the most hassle-free things when you're doing makeup. Here I use ST London pen eyeliner, and here I suggest you to buy a pen eyeliner especially if you are a beginner. After the eyes, the eyelashes and everything, I'm doing my cheeks, and for that I'm using Dodo blush palette, contour and blush palette. I'm contouring my face here. You can check the movement of my hand and my brush. And if you want to learn how to contour your face or your nose or anything, you can check out my video. I have done a very precise video for that. Contouring my nose with a thin fluffy brush. I'm going to attach the link in my description box for contouring. You can also check all of the product details in my description box. And do share your recommendations in the comment section on what you want next. I would really love to make videos on demand. And here the blush is also done. And I always apply a little blush on my chin as well. I think it gives you this look. For highlight, I'm using TLM cream highlight stick on every highlighting point on my face, then blending it out with my finger. And to set this cream highlight, I'm going to use Anastasia powder highlighter. Here I'm applying it with my fingers on all of the areas where I have applied the cream highlight. And here you can check the glow, it's superb, I guess. And the cheeks are done here. Next, for the lips, I'm going to apply a very bold shocking pink, pinkish red kind of shade. So for that, I'm outlining my lips, and then I'm gonna use Clazona lip shade. I'm gonna mention the product details, the shades, everything in my description box down below. And with this, the look is almost complete, so you're gonna check it out. I just love the highlight the most in this look. Well, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.